With the Jaguar, the owner said she was having issues with it. She said that when she drive it above 80 miles per hour, there's an error code that comes up on the dash and it says restrictive performance. Alright, so we at the stoplight. Jaguar seems to be doing fine so far. I haven't noticed any restrictive performance, but I'm gonna drive it a little longer. I'm gonna push it a little bit. But so far, nothing yet. I'm gonna park the car in a little bit. Oh, wait, there we go. Restrictive performance right on the dash. It just came up. This 2012 Jaguar XF with the V8 is going to be getting some new ignition coils and spark plugs. This one is misfiring in cylinders 1, 3, and 4. I have all of the ignition coils. We have all 8 of them, so we're going to replace all 8 ignition coils. And then also have the spark plugs as well for this car. So when the owner brought the car to me, or when she told me about it, she told me that a restrictive performance error came up on the dash. After me driving the car and putting a diagnostic tool to it, told me that it had misfires in cylinders 1, 3, and 4. So I let her know that, you know, that was going on. So she just said we're just going to replace all eight of the ignition coils and all 8 of the spark plugs for this V8 engine. Over here for the Mercedes-Benz, it's a 2012 Mercedes C250. It's like a ignition coil replacement. These are the old ones. The new ones are still in the box. I haven't took them out. But it's just super tight space around here. This is cylinder 1, 2. This is cylinder 3. Pull them out like that. And then 4 all the way in the back. Which is a little hard to come out. There we go. And that's cylinder number 4. It's actually 5, 6, 7, 8 because cylinders 1, 2, 3, and 4 is on the other side. This is bank 2, that's bank 1 on the left side.